Hello friends. Yes, welcome. Yes, today is our new point, that is the classification of organic halide on the basis of number of halogen atom remain. Okay, we already completed the classification of organic halide as per hybridization of carbon atom. Now second method, as per number of halogen atoms, organic halide can be classified in three types: monohalide, dihalide, and trihalide. Mono means 1, di means 2, tri means 3. The organic halide in which only one halogen atom is present is known as a monohalide. The organic halide in which two halogen atoms are present in a one molecule, known as a dihalide. If one molecule of organic halide possesses three halogen atoms, are known as a trihalide. Means number of halogen atom in monohalide is 1, in dihalide is 2, and trihalide is 3. Okay. Yes, monohalide can be classified in two types: monohaloalkane, second one monohaloarine. In monohaloalkane, if one hydrogen of alkane compound is replaced by halogen, otherwise, yes, if halogen is directly attached to the alkyl group, they are known as a monohaloalkane. And monohaloarine, if one halogen atom is directly attached with the carbon atom of benzene ring, they are known as a monohaloarine. In dihalide, can be classified in two types: dihaloalkane and dihaloarine. In dihaloalkane, if two hydrogen atoms of alkane compound is replaced by two halogen atoms, they are known as a dihaloalkane. When two halogen atoms are directly attached with the carbon atom of arene, a benzene ring, they are known as a dihaloarine. Dihaloalkane further classified two types: geminal and vicinal. Geminal dihalide and vicinal dihalide. What is the geminal? What is the vicinal? Yes, vicinal, if two halogen atoms are present on neighboring carbon, and that type of dihalides are known as a vicinal dihalides. If two halogen atoms are present on a same carbon atoms, they are known as a geminal dihalide. Trihalide compound can be classified in two types: trihaloalkane and trihaloarine. In trihaloalkane, when three hydrogen atoms or alkane compounds are replaced by three halogen atoms, they are known as a trihaloalkane. If the three hydrogen atoms are replaced by clone atom from benzene ring, ट्राइहेलोएरीन कहा जाता है. बेंजीन रिंग के साथ थ्री हेलोजन जुड़े हुए हैं, दे आर नोन एज ए ट्राइहेलोएरीन. यस, नाउ ये टाइप F4 फार्मूला, जनरल फार्मूला. यस, monohaloalkane can be symbolized by capital RX because alkyl halide, they are also known as alkyl halide. Monohaloarine, they are symbolized by ARX, aryl ग्रुप के साथ हेलोजन जुड़ा हुआ है. Dihaloalkane can be symbolized by RX2 and dihaloarine is symbolized by ERX2. Trihaloalkane is symbolized by RX3 and trihaloadenine can be symbolized by ARX3. Okay. Now illustration. In monohaloalkane CH3CH2Cl, it is ethyl chloride. Its IUPAC name is chloroethane. One hydrogen replaced from ethane compound. अल्केन में से एक हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस हुआ और वहां Cl लगा दिया, इसको हम इथाइल क्लोराइड, ये मोनोहेलो अल्केन है. इफ वन हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस बाय क्लोरीन एटम फ्रॉम बेंजीन रिंग, दिस इज यस कॉमन नेम. नीचे से ऊपर जाएंगे फिनाइल क्लोराइड, ऊपर से आईयूपैक में ऊपर से नीचे आएंगे क्लोरोबेंजीन. ओके. जेमिनल डाइहैलाइड, yes, CH3, this is the derivative of ethane. ये डेरिवेटिव किसकी है? व्हाट इज द रूट हाइड्रोकार्बन जानना है ना. ये 2 क्लोरीन एटम है, वहां दो हाइड्रोजन लगा दो तो CH3 सिंगल बॉन्ड CH3, इथेन मिल जाएगा. इथेन में से बना हुआ है और 2 क्लोरीन एटम्स है, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नोन एज अ डाइक्लोरोइथेन. बट द पोजीशन ऑफ बोथ क्लोरीन एटम्स it remain on first carbon, that's why it is known as a 1,1-dichloroethane. It is known as a, yes, here both chlorine atoms are present on the same carbon, that's why it is also known as a geminal dihalide. Yes, this is CH2, this is CH2, Cl, yes, it is the derivative. यहाँ हाइड्रोजन ले लो, यहाँ हाइड्रोजन ले लो, CH3 single bond CH3. Root hydrocarbon is ethane. Yes. One more thing, 2 chlorine atoms are present in this compound. That's why dichloroethane. But position of 1,2-dichloroethane. Okay. Its common name is ethylene dichloride. In short form of ethylene EDC. E for ethylene, D for di, C for chloride. Okay. Then this is benzene possesses 2 chlorine atoms. This is neighboring carbon पे दोनों की position है. This is known as ortho position. If one position is left, this position is known as a meta position, and this is the para position. Benzene having 2 chlorine atoms is known as a dichlorobenzene. In short form, DCB. D for di, C for chloro, B for benzene. ये है ऑर्थो ODCB. Orthodichlorobenzene. This is MDCB, metadichlorobenzene. And last one is PDCB, means paradichlorobenzene. Okay. Next one, trihalide में trihaloalkane RX3. Yes. This is CH2. कार्बन possess tetravalency property. यहाँ 2 बॉन्ड बने हैं, 2 बाकी है, या कॉर्नर पे कार्बन होगा. CH2Cl, CHCl, CH2Cl. तीनों 3 Cl है, वहां हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस कर दो तो ये CH3 सिंगल बॉन्ड CH2 सिंगल बॉन्ड CH3. दिस इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ प्रोपेन. प्रोपेन में से बना हुआ है. व्हाट इज द IUPAC नेम? Propane having 3 chlorine atoms, that's why trichloropropane, but the position of chlorine is 1, 2, 3 trichloropropane. 1, 2, 3 trichloropropane. Its common name is propylene trichloride. PTC. P for propylene, T for tri, and C for chloride. वो हम nomenclature में देखेंगे. Trihaloadenine में this is the derivative of benzene. नाम के पीछे बेंजीन लगेगा. बेंजीन possess 3 chlorine atoms. यहाँ से नंबरिंग दे दो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon atoms are present in a benzene ring. 1, 2, 4 trichlorobenzene. It is IUPAC name. तो ये हो गया शर्मिला अपना क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक एलाइड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ नंबर ऑफ हेलोजन एटम. यस, TFIN टिफिन. ये बॉक्स प्रिपेयर कर लो, कुछ भी पूछेगा आना चाहिए. टिफिन स्कूल में जाते हैं, मम्मी टिफिन बांध देती है ना खाना खाने के लिए. जो भी है, T for type, F for formula, I for illustration, and N for number of halogen. Okay, next time we will go on nomenclature method of organic compound. Okay, thank you very much.